Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove an emoji from your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, actually let's use a different example. This is an emoji. This is just an example. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And what you're going to do is you're going to select mask and you're going to select an area without the emoji in it. Well, like try your best to. And then you're going to place it on top. Just bear with me on this for a little. And then you're just going to feather it out to blend it out a little bit more, trying not to show like the emoji. I'm just going to try to make it bigger like that. And that is it. I mean, you're going to want to mask it a little bit better than I am right now. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.